Let me introduce you to the Dbot X8 Pro Omni, Ecovacs' flagship robot vacuum for 2025. It stands out in the crowded robotic floor cleaning market with a suite of advanced features designed to address common cleaning challenges while prioritizing automation, precision, and hygiene. And in this video, I've partnered with Ecovacs to tell you all about them. Let's start with something really impressive, the OZMOROLLER, a game-changing roller mop that was developed in partnership with Tyneco. If you've never heard of Tyneco, they are a leading brand in the handheld vacuum space. The OZMOROLLER combines a 4,000 Pascal scrubbing force and a 200 RPM roller mop to tackle stubborn stains like dried coffee. During operation, 16 water nozzles spray clean water onto the roller, while a scraper removes dirty water into a dedicated wastewater tank, refreshing the mop 200 times per minute. When comparing the OZMOROLLER to traditional disc mops, you can see that disc mops sometimes leave swirls or leftover residue in between the space of the circular mop pads. The OZMOROLLER eliminates this problem by using a large cylindrical roller that is all one piece with no gaps. Additionally, the OZMOROLLER can extend, allowing it to clean right up to walls, baseboards, and furniture. We'll talk more about this in just a minute. For post-cleaning, the Omni Station washes the roller with 75-degree hot water to eliminate bacteria and residue. This real-time self-cleaning system prevents cross-contamination, which is a flaw in traditional robotic vacuums that reuse dirty water. The high-pressure scrubbing simulates hand scrubbing, making it ideal for kitchens or homes with pets. Currently, no competitor on the market offers this combination of pressure, real-time cleaning, and post-cycle sterilization. Now let's talk about the TrueEdge 3D sensor and the adaptive mop extension that I talked about earlier. Using structured light technology, the Dbot X Pro Omni creates a real-time 3D map of edges and corners. The mop and side brush dynamically extend up to 1 millimeter from the walls, reaching behind toilets, under cabinets, and along baseboards depending on how much space is available. Traditional robots often leave a 5 to 10 millimeter gap near edges, requiring manual touch-ups. The Dbot X Pro Omni eliminates this issue, ensuring thorough cleaning in tight spaces. While other robots may feature something similar to this, most lack the precision of Ecovacs' structured light sensor and adaptive extension. AIVI 3D 3.0 navigation and AI obstacle avoidance are two new features that pair beautifully with the previous two, so let's talk about those now. Powered by a visual language model, or VLM, the Dbot X Pro Omni identifies and navigates around 100 plus objects, including shoes, cables, and pet toys. It's been great at my house where my son has his toys everywhere. It updates its path in real time, avoiding collisions and entanglement. So if your furry pet or your kid happens to walk in front of the vacuum, it's not going to bump into them. It's actually going to stop and recognize something is in front of it. This is extremely useful since it reduces the need for manual rescues and ensures uninterrupted cleaning in cluttered environments. Vacuuming on this robot is another area it excels at, so let's talk about that. The Dbot X Pro Omni stands out with impressive suction power, up to 18,000 Pascal. The strongest within the Ecovacs product range. This means that it can effortlessly remove even deeply embedded dirt and debris from carpets, ensuring a thorough cleaning. Furthermore, the Dbot X Pro Omni features the innovative Zero Tangle 2.0 brush, designed with alternating bristle patterns that actively work to prevent hair from tangling around the brush. This intelligent design can significantly reduce the amount of maintenance required and ensures consistent cleaning performance. I put this to the test by rubbing hair on a high pile carpet. As you can see, the hair is really stuck in the fibers. The Dbot X Pro Omni surprised me with its performance. I mean, not only did it remove all of the pet hair embedded in the carpet, but it also did it without getting anything tangled around the brush. Next, let's talk about the 12-in-1 Omni Station. Not only does it pack several notable features, but it's also quite a looker. It has a great aesthetic that should match most homes. The station self-empties the robot into a large 400 milliliter dustbin. There's also clean water and dirty water tanks on the base and on the robot itself, which allows the water to enter and exit the robot through a closed-loop water system. There's a cleaning solution compartment that supports auto dispensing for reduced waste. The base also washes the mop with 75 degrees Celsius or 167 degrees Fahrenheit hot water and dries with 63 degrees Celsius or 145 degrees Fahrenheit hot air. This feature is very useful since the hot water dissolves grease and kills bacteria, while hot air drying prevents mold. Okay, so we just finished up the mop test for the X8 Omni Pro. Now let's take a look at that dirty water tank to see how well the station cleaned the mop, as well as how much gunk the robot was able to pick up, and that is pretty nasty. So now you're seeing B-roll of me emptying it out in the toilet, and you can see it did a pretty good job at cleaning the mop pad and getting up all that stuff on my floor. All of these features combined give the Dbot X Pro Omni up to 150 days of autonomy. Now, you will have to do long-term or routine maintenance like on the filters and cleaning the sensors and things like that. You can find all that information in the app. The 12-in-1 Omni Station is definitely impressive. Most competitors use colder or cooler water versus warm water like Ecovacs uses in order to really sterilize and clean the mop pads. Not only that, but they lack Ecovacs' closed-loop water system, which separates clean and dirty water tanks in order to prevent residue from recirculating. Ecovacs also added and improved a few smart features. However, you'll still need the app for full functionality, so just bear that in mind. Now, inside the app, you can create cleaning schedules and adjust the suction power and water flow settings to suit your cleaning needs. Combining the two allows you to automate the Dbot X Pro Omni based on room type or specific day. It supports multi-story mapping, which stores up to 5 floor plans with automatic recognition. Additionally, you can edit rooms by applying virtual walls, carpet types, furniture, etc. There's a few different ways to control the Dbot X Pro Omni. For starters, you can use the app to start and stop sessions right on the main page. You can also dive into the settings and remote control the robot, allowing you to manually steer it. This brings other functionality like access to the camera, real-time spot cleaning that you control, and more. Lastly, you can simply use your voice through the Eco GPT voice assistant. Once you set it up inside the app, you can control it by speaking directly to the base. Moreover, you can take advantage of the mini smart home connectivity options like Matter and HomeKit. When it comes to loudness, I found it to be within reasonable levels. Due to the mopping mechanism and high suction power, it's more audible than other low-powered floor cleaners. However, given how well the Dbot X Pro Omni can clean, I don't think anyone's going to have an issue with the sound. Now, with that being said, I also tested the self-emptying process, which is arguably the loudest task that a robot vacuum can perform. I did this in both regular and quiet modes and found the sound to be more than acceptable. Even when we used it late at night or early in the morning, it didn't wake us up. Before we wrap this up, let's talk about what's included in the box. In the box, you'll find everything you need to get up and running, including the robot vacuum and mop unit, which is pre-installed with the Zero Tangle 2.0 brush. The package also includes the 12-in-1 Omni Station, of course. You get a variety of accessories, including a magnetic side brush, the OZMOROLLER mop module, which is pre-installed and features a 175mm self-cleaning roller. You get one pre-installed 3-liter dust bag, a power cable and cord with a cable management wrap, and a quick start guide with a warranty card for easy setup and registration. Sadly, Ecovacs did not include any cleaning solution in my packaging. I'm not sure if it's because it's a review unit or if this is going to be normal. However, you can pick up cleaning solution on Amazon or from local stores for about $20, and that should last you several months. Okay, let's wrap this up. The Dbot X Pro Omni is a top-tier robot vacuum with impressive features. When compared to the competition, the current $1,299 price tag is fair, especially when you consider the features that those other robot vacuums offer. Overall, my experience using it this past week has been excellent. If you're on the fence about purchasing the Ecovacs Dbot X8 Pro Omni, then consider your needs, your household, and your budget. Remember, the best robot vacuum is the one that's going to suit your household the best. The great thing is Ecovacs didn't just update the X series, they also updated 2 of their more affordable vacuums that I'll have videos on very soon. If you're interested in learning more about the Dbot X8 Pro Omni or any discounts that could possibly be happening, check out the links in the pinned comment as well as the description. I really hope you found this video beneficial and helpful. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and I'll see you beautiful people in the next one.